Alright, hello, welcome to my first video, one of the first videos, depending on, well, which video you're watching right now. I'm Tim, I wear many hats, I'm based in Poland, I come from the US, and I'm an educator, business English trainer. I have an extensive experience with AI because I use AI every single day in my personal life, in my professional life, and finally, after weeks or even sometimes possibly months, I've decided to get started. And I believe that it will be a learning experience on your side and also on my side because I also look forward to getting feedback from you guys. So, one of the tools that I started using back in 2022, end of 2022, was ChatGPT. And as an educator, teacher, it's all about learning and revising knowledge, making sure that your students have the opportunity to revise the lesson content at home. So here comes in handy a tool called Quizlet. Now, Quizlet is a great flashcard set, but you have to add those flashcards to that set in order to make it work. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to create Quizlet flashcards. Okay, so I'm going to go to my chat here with predefined instructions. Let's say I have 4 negotiation phrases here today, and I'm gonna click enter and let the magic happen. So here we go. We got the 4 phrases processed. So usually what I would do with my student, we would go over the logic and make sure that it's all correct. And I'm going to go and copy these 4 mm, phrases and head over to Quizlet. Create a new flashcard set in this case and head over to import where I will tell Quizlet where is the difference between the term and definition and between cards. And there we go. We have it here as preview. If there are any inconsistencies or something that we don't like, we can make changes over here, which will be reflected in this section down below. Let's say I like the quality, so I'll hit import, and all I need to do now is title it test set create and share the link with the student and they can start learning. So this is a very short video to show you how I use ChatGPT and Quizlet to create high quality flashcards in very little time, something that used to take me 10 minutes or even more to make sure the quality of these phrases are high. Now takes me just a few moments, and it's also an interesting learning activity with the student. So that's all for now. If you have any tips to share or questions on how you use AI or Quizlet, please do let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.